Hey guys, so totally forgot to film an intro for this video, but this is just going to be my evening routine. I hope that you guys will like it, so make sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below, turn on notifications by clicking the bell, and also check out all my social media links. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, as well as a blog, so you guys can check out all my links in the description box below. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into my evening routine. So I start off my evening, it's around 3 or 3:30 p.m. and I just gotten home from hanging out with a friend, so I just wanted to wash my makeup off of my face, so that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just waiting for the water to get warm. Is it just me, or does it take a really long time for the water to get warm? I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like it takes a long time. But anyway, I didn't want to use cold water on my face, so I just waited for the water to get warm, and I tried to get all the makeup off of my face. I also used this blue cloth to get the extra makeup off my face that the water didn't. It's just a really soft cloth. It's really soft on your skin, and it helps get the makeup off, so it's a win-win. So actually by this time I hadn't even had lunch yet because I got busy and I wasn't really all that hungry, so I went to the kitchen to go get some lunch, and I typically end up staring in the fridge and in the cabinets for like what feels like forever until I actually find what I want to eat. But today I actually knew what I wanted, so that's great. So I just ended up having some meat sticks, a piece of cheese, and some strawberries. You know, gotta keep it healthy. No, just kidding. But I do try to eat healthier, so I try to pick healthier options as opposed to just potato chips and chocolate, you know. So I did have a pretty small lunch this day. I mean, I typically do, to be honest. I don't really eat a lot for breakfast or lunch, and even for supper, I don't feel like I eat all that much. But this is just what I had today, and I am going to be doing a what I eat in a week video, so that'll be coming sometime within the next month, so stay tuned for that. So then once I got my little lunch/snack prepared, I realized that I had to practice piano because I played in our worship band for church on Wednesday night. So I had a couple days to prepare for that and to practice up, so I just got on my iPad and I started playing and practicing the songs that I had to practice. Also, I do have a music channel if you guys did not know, so you guys can check it out. It's Light the Dark Music. I will have it linked down below in the description box, and I will also have it in the cards, so check out the cards. There's always good stuff there. Once I got done playing piano, I realized that I had quite a bit more schoolwork to do, so I just had to go do that. I had to read a whole lot of pages in my ebook, so that was so much fun. Not really, but it wasn't too bad, I guess. But yeah, so that's what I was doing, and by this point it's about 4:30, so it's getting kind of close to supper time for me. Once I got done with my schoolwork, it's around 5:15, 5:30 at this point, and I just wanted to go work out and shower before I had supper. So at this point, supper's in the oven, and I will show you guys what we're having for supper later, but I just wanted to go work out. So I got my workout clothes, changed into those, and then I got my workout shoes on, and I went downstairs, and I worked out. I worked out for like 10 to 15 minutes. If you guys want to know like kind of a workout routine, then make sure to like this video and let me know in the comments below, because I wouldn't mind doing that. But yeah, so I usually do switch up my workout routines every couple, 3 weeks or so, just to keep it different and exciting and fun, I guess, and you know, as fun as a workout can be, right? And then I showered. I just wanted to show you guys what shampoo and soap I use. So the shampoo is Matrix, and it's just the Hydro Source, and then the soap that I use is by Hemp's. To be honest, I don't buy that soap, that's just what my parents buy, so that's just what I use. And then I went and had supper. So the chicken was in the oven earlier, and then I just had to put it together. So it was a chicken and avocado roll-up. So it's tortilla, avocado, cheese, and chicken. Once I got done eating supper, I realized that I had a mess in my room to go clean up, which it's still a mess as I speak, literally. But I tried to clean off my bed anyway and get some things put away, so I just did that. And I actually redid my room like less than a week ago, so I will have a video coming on that also sometime soon. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But yeah, I just picked up my room and tried to make it look halfway clean. So once I got my room looking halfway decent, I realized that I had to edit a video. By this time, it's about 8 o'clock, 8:15, somewhere in there. And yeah, you guys should go check out that video because I'm really proud of it, and you just should go watch it. So shameless self-promo, it's in the description box as well as in the cards, so go check that out. But yeah, I just edited that, and it actually went really well. I went pretty fast too. So it's about 9:30 now, so I just shut my computer down, and I try to get off my electronics around 9 or 10, but it doesn't always work that way, guys. But anyway, once I got that done, I went to the bathroom. Again, a really bad angle, I'm sorry, but I just brushed my teeth and got ready for bed. So once I actually get ready for bed, I like to get in my bed, and this is my time of just kind of quiet time, peaceful time. I like to read my Bible during this time, do my devotions if I didn't get those done that morning. I like to journal, I like to reflect on my day, and just all that great stuff. And also, am I the only person that finds fuzzies and stains on their white comforter and they try to get it off but it doesn't work? So then you have to just leave it alone. Like, that's totally me. But anyway, yeah, so I read my Bible and stuff, and then I usually try to like figure out what I'm doing the next day, but tonight I didn't really have time, so I just kind of did a quick overview of my day, and then it was time to shut out the lights. So good night, guys. So thank you guys so very much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, make sure to like it and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to love always. Bye, guys.